Now, I understand if some of you need proof. Let me give you some of the best scientific proof. Don't miss this. Have you ever seen this? The Shroud of Turin. It's not a painting. It's not a forgery anyone has been able to reproduce. It's an image that behaves like a photographic negative before photography existed. An image that contains 3D information encoded into it. Blood that matches the trauma consistent with crucifixion, and a surface level imprint so precise that scientists say it would take an unimaginable burst of energy to create it. Literally, a nuclear explosion. And here's what gets me. Even the scientists who wanted to disprove it ended up saying, we cannot explain this. Now imagine this. Imagine you walk into the lab and sitting on the table is a piece of cloth. And the lead scientist looks at you and says, we've tested this for years. We've thrown everything we have at it. Lasers, imaging, chemistry, physics. And here's our conclusion. We don't have the power on earth to make this happen. Because at that moment, you've got a decision to make. You can say, well, there must be some explanation, or you can consider that maybe, just maybe, the explanation is that one of the earliest followers of Jesus gave that something happened in the tomb that was not natural, not gradual, not symbolic, but powerful, instant, transformational, supernatural. If the resurrection didn't happen, you still have to explain the cloth. You still have to explain the empty tomb. You still have to explain why terrified disciples became bold witnesses willing to die for what they saw. At some point, skepticism still has to answer the evidence. And here's why this matters for you. Because if that moment in the tomb was real, then Jesus didn't just die for sin, he defeated death.